In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create a private repository on GitHub. This is useful when you're working on personal projects, client work, or code that you don't want to make publicly visible. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your GitHub homepage. Look at the left panel and click the New button to create a new repository. You'll be taken to the repository creation page. In the repository name field, enter a name that clearly represents your project. You can also add a description if you'd like to explain what the repository is for. Next, look for the Choose Visibility section. Here, you'll see options for making the repository public or private. Select Private. This means that only you and people you give access to will be able to view and work with the repository. Once you've configured the repository settings, scroll down and click Create Repository. GitHub will process your request and create your new private repository. And that's it. You've successfully created a private repository on GitHub. Thanks for watching.